Hi everyone. Today we are going to be working on using the probability of an event to make predictions for the future. So let's go ahead and take a look at a problem. We have a problem that says the 200 students in a school band will attend an awards dinner. A random survey of 25 of these students was conducted to determine how many of each meal should be prepared for the dinner. The results of the survey are shown below. 12 students want a beef meal. 8 students want a chicken meal. 5 students want a pasta meal. Based on the survey results, what is the best prediction of the chicken meals wanted by the 200 students? Okay, so there's a lot to pick apart here. So let's start underlining some key information. First, we are dealing with 200 students in a school, okay? But the survey only talks about 25 students, okay? And the results of the survey are below. So we have 12 for beef, 8 for chicken, and 5 for pasta. So we want to make sure that we know which is which. So we're underlining them real quick. Okay, so it says, what is the best prediction of the chicken meals? Okay, so we want to start there. We want chicken. So first thing I know is that I've got chicken here at 8. So we have 8 successful outcomes of chicken out of those 25 students that were surveyed. Now we have some new information. We know that we want to figure out how many successful outcomes there will be out of the 200 students. So what we're missing right here is the number of successful outcomes, or those that we predict will choose the chicken meal. So let's solve this. The first thing that I notice by looking at it is that I'm missing X. The second thing that I notice is that this is a proportional relationship, which basically means that I want to solve it using a proportion. So there are two different ways we can do a scale factor, or we can do cross products. So I'm going to go ahead and do cross products here, and we're going to end up multiplying 25 times X and set that equal to 8 times 200. All right. So what does that mean? Well, we need to simplify this. I need to do 8 times 200. Well, I know that 8 times 2 is 16. So when I multiply that, I'm going to get 1,600 because I have to add those two zeros in. Okay, equals 25x. Ooh, my handwriting is starting to look pretty yucky right now. But do the best you can to read it, okay? From here, I have a one-step equation. So 25x is 25 times x. The opposite of multiplying by 25 would be to divide by 25. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So it's going to be 1,600 divided by 25. And 25 divided by 25 is x equals, and you probably need to do some division out to the sides, so 1,600 divided by 25, give me a few seconds to write this down, 25, ooh, you can't see that, but anyway, so I know that 25 cannot go into 1, 25 cannot go into 16, but 25 can go into 160. Okay, if I count by 25s, 25, 50, 75, 100, that's 4. 25, 50, that's 2 more, makes 6. So that's 150. Subtract 150 from 160, and I get 10. And now I need to do 100 divided by 25, and 4 25s, or 4 quarters, makes 100. So we get 100 even with a remainder of 0. So my answer is 64 chicken meals. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on down to the next slide. because I want you guys to be able to see this without my writing on it. And as you can see, there is the final answer right there. Based on the survey results, 64 out of 200 students will want a chicken meal. All right, everyone, have a great day and practice this on your own. Bye.